Ever been on the receiving end of a scam by Amazon? Picture this. You place an order for a PNY 406016 GB, brand spanking new, and anticipate its arrival. The day comes, the package arrives, and excitement fills the air. Yet, as you pry open the box, something feels amiss. The box, it's been opened before. Now wouldn't that just instantly sour your mood? The audacity of the person who did this. Instead of a PNY 16 GB, you find a gigabyte card. It's a decent card, but it's not what you ordered. Worse still, it's not even a 16 GB card. There's no indication of its true capacity anywhere on it. But here's the kicker. There's no power plug on top. It draws power directly from the motherboard. Now isn't that just the peak of absurdity? It's a sad reality that there are individuals who are only out for themselves. They buy a new card, swap it out, place it back in the box, and return it as new. Amazon, none the wiser, puts it back on the shelf for sale. This box was clearly opened, but it slipped through the cracks. Pause for a moment and let's ponder this. Why would someone consciously engage in such a bait and switch? Is it a mark of immaturity or a sign of a world in decline, where honor is a forgotten virtue? It wouldn't sting as much if this were an isolated incident. But no, this is the worst of 3 separate instances of purchasing from Amazon. It's clear as day that a change in how business is conducted with them is in order. Feel free to share in the comments if you've had a similar experience of being scammed or baited and switched on Amazon. In summary, the issue at hand is a case of a bait and switch scam involving a product purchased from Amazon. The proposed solution? A change in the way business is conducted with Amazon, and a call for more stringent quality checks on returned items before they're put back on the market. Remember, your voice matters. Share your experiences and let's make online shopping a safer space for all.